Hey friends, have you ever felt nervous starting a conversation in English? Don't worry, we all have, and today we'll fix it together.
Exactly. Imagine confidently talking with anyone, anywhere without hesitation. Sounds amazing, right?
Yes, and today we'll share simple tricks to make English conversations feel natural.
No boring rules here, just easy, real tips you can use today.
Let's start with the very first thing, the magic of a smile.
A smile is like opening a door. People feel welcome instantly.
And it's free, effortless, and makes you look confident right away.
Even if your English is not perfect, a smile helps a lot.
Next, let's talk about greetings. Simple hello or hi works perfectly.
Yes, and adding, "How are you today?" makes it sound natural and friendly.
If they answer, you can reply with something small but positive.
For example, "I'm great, thanks. How about you?" That's it.
Exactly. Short, easy, and it keeps the conversation moving smoothly.
Now, once the greeting is done, you can use small questions.
Like, what's your favorite hobby? Or do you like music? These are gold.
They are simple and people love talking about themselves. Really?
Also, always listen carefully. Show interest in what they say next.
Yes, nod, smile, or say, "Wow, that's interesting." It's simple magic.
Another tip, use echo words. Repeat one word from their sentence.
For example, if they say, "I love painting," you can ask, "Painting? Wow, really?"
It sounds natural and shows you're curious without being pushy.
And remember, don't stress about perfect grammar. Your confidence matters more.
Exactly. People connect with your energy and kindness, not just words.
And one more secret, a little humor makes everything smoother.
Even a tiny laugh breaks tension and keeps the conversation fun.
Like, "I tried cooking yesterday. Let's just say the fire alarm helped me out."
That's perfect. People love funny, relatable moments in chat.
And don't forget body language. It talks even when you don't say words.
Nodding, leaning slightly forward, and keeping an open posture works wonders.
Yes, closed arms or looking at your phone? Big no no.
Another thing beginners worry about is silence. It's okay sometimes.
Exactly. Short pauses are natural, they give you time to think clearly.
And during pauses, you can smile or glance around. It's totally fine.
Sometimes silence even makes the other person share more interesting things.
Next tip, use small compliments. They're easy and make people happy.
Like, "I love your shoes. Where did you get them?" Simple and kind.
Compliments open doors for longer conversations without pressure.
And if you forget something, just be honest. "I'm learning English. Please help me."
People admire honesty and are usually happy to help beginners.
Exactly. Being genuine beats trying to sound perfect every single time.
Okay, now let's combine all these smile, greet, ask, listen, and compliment.
And sprinkle in humor, body language, and confidence. That's the magic formula.
Yes, with practice, starting conversations will feel as natural as breathing.
And remember, mistakes are okay. They're proof you're trying.
Every conversation, even small ones, makes your English stronger and smoother.
Yes, and one more tip. And with a friendly closing to stay memorable.
Like, it was really nice talking with you. See you soon.
Perfect. And that leaves a door open for future chats.
Wow, look at that! From nervous to confident with just simple steps.
Yes, practice these daily and you'll be amazed at your improvement.
So, friends, go ahead, smile, ask, listen, and enjoy the chat.
Exactly. English is not a test, it's a tool for making connections. Yes, let's say you're at a coffee shop and see someone reading a book.
You can start with something simple like, "Hi, that book looks interesting."
Exactly. And then you can ask, what's it about? Easy, right?
People love talking about what they enjoy, and books are perfect for that.
And if they answer with a long explanation, don't worry. You can nod and say, wow, that's amazing.
Yes, short responses show you're listening, even if your English is still learning.
Sometimes just saying, really? Tell me more, keeps the conversation alive.
Another tip, share something small about yourself, too, not just questions.
For example, I love reading too. My favorite is mysteries. What about you?
Exactly. Sharing small details makes conversations balanced and friendly.
And here's a fun one. Notice small things around you to comment on.
Like, wow, the coffee smells amazing today. Do you come here often?
Yes, observing surroundings makes starting conversations so much easier.
And don't forget, asking advice is a great conversation starter, too.
Right, like, I'm new here. Can you recommend the good place to eat?
People love giving advice, it makes them feel helpful and friendly.
Exactly. And once they respond, you can say, thanks, I'll try it soon.
This shows appreciation and keeps the chat positive and comfortable.
Here's another tip. If you want to ask about hobbies, be specific.
Yes, instead of just, "What do you like?" try, "Do you like painting or music more?"
Specifics help people answer easier and you can continue naturally.
Also, using "Oh, really?" or "Wow, that's cool" keeps energy high in conversation.
Yes, short phrases like that make you sound interested without too many words.
And here's a secret trick, repeat their last word with a question tone.
Like, you like painting? It's simple, but it encourages them to talk more.
Exactly. And it gives you time to think your next sentence.
Now, let's talk about confidence. Many beginners feel scared to start.
Yes, but remember, confidence grows with small daily conversations.
Even saying hi to a shopkeeper counts. That's practice.
And if you make a mistake, laugh it off. People enjoy humor.
Yes, like, oops, I said that wrong. I meant is totally fine.
Mistakes are proof that you are learning, and that's amazing progress.
Exactly. Every attempt is better than staying quiet. Always.
Okay, let's try another scenario, meeting classmates or coworkers.
Yes, a good start is, hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Ethan.
Then you can ask something simple like, "What do you enjoy about this class?"
Or, how long have you been working here? Easy, natural, and polite.
Also, you can connect by sharing a small story, like, "I joined last month too."
Exactly. Small connections make conversations more comfortable and friendly.
And if you're shy, remember, body language speaks louder than words sometimes.
Yes, standing tall, smiling, and nodding shows confidence immediately.
Now, another tip, asking, "What do you think about?" invites opinions naturally.
Yes, for example, what do you think about this movie or this book?
People love sharing opinions. It makes them feel important and listened to.
And you can follow with, I like it too because to show your perspective.
Exactly. Sharing thoughts keeps the conversation balanced and fun.
Here's a fun trick adding little expressions like haha, wow, or really.
Yes, they make your English sound natural and less robotic.
And don't worry if you pause, it's natural and gives you time to think.
Even beginners can sound confident with small pauses and smiles.
Okay, now let's talk about online conversations too.
Yes, start with greetings and a question like, "Hi, how's your day today?"
And you can use emojis to make it friendly, like smiley or thumbs up.
Yes, emojis help show tone when words are short.
Then respond to their message with curiosity, like, oh, that sounds fun, tell me more.
Yes, asking questions online works just like in real life.
And don't forget small compliments, like, wow, your photo looks amazing.
It's simple, friendly, and makes people smile. Conversation keeps going.
Okay, one last real life scenario meeting someone at a party.
Yes, start with something like, "Hi, I love your outfit. Where did you get it?"
Or comment on the party itself, like, this music is amazing, isn't it?
Yes, observing surroundings always gives you something to say.
And if the conversation slows down, switch topics gently, like, by the way, do you like movies?
Exactly. Smooth topic changes keep things natural, friendly, and confident.
Also, ending conversations politely is important, like, it was great talking with you. See you later.
Yes, friendly endings leave a good impression for next time.
So, friends, remember smile, ask, share, and enjoy every conversation.
Exactly. Practice a little every day, and English will feel natural soon. Wow, friends, look at all the tips we shared today.
Yes, from smiling, asking questions, to sharing little stories, everything matters.
Remember, confidence grows with practice, not perfection. Every small step counts.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. They're proof you are trying.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy every conversation you start.
Exactly. English is not just a language, it's a bridge to friendship.
We hope you feel ready to start conversations confidently and naturally now.
Yes, go ahead. Smile, ask, listen, and enjoy English every day.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Keep shining, friends.
See you next time on Mrs. Speak English channel. Bye bye.